Hi everyone, so today I wanted to share this quick video of how I created this matte mauve nails. If you like what you see, then just keep watching. So first off, I already prepped my nails prior to the video. I already applied the tip and cleaned up the cuticle and everything like that. And now I'm taking Lush Nails Prep and Prime, and I am using the prep first and applying 2 coats on each finger. Now I'm taking the Lush Nail Primer and I'm applying 2 coats on all the fingers. For the next step, I'm taking Lush Nails Acrylic Powder in Clear and Lush Nails Acrylic Monomer, and I'm going to apply that on all my fingers. So this is just a really quick video of a really simple design. I'm just applying clear on all my fingers and applying a nail polish. But if you like seeing this type of video, then comment below. Or if you are more into more advanced designs, then comment on the description, well, not description, but comment below so I know what type of videos you guys like to watch. Okay, so for next step, then I am going to basically file the sidewalls first. Then once I file the sidewalls, I'm going to shape it and file my nails, but I didn't show it in the video just to save time. And this is how my nails look like after I get done filing, shaping, and buffing it. Now I'm taking, I think it's pronounced Essie nail polish, and it's in Pin Up, and it's just a really pretty mauve color, and I am going to apply that on all my fingers. I really like this nail polish because the brush is rounded, so it applies really easily, especially by the cuticle area, and I didn't have to clean up my sidewalls or my cuticles or anything like that because the brush is rounded. So I really like this type of brush. But right here, as you see, I'm just applying the second coat. Now I am applying that into my nail dryer. And if you want to know where I purchased my nail dryer, it will be listed in the description box. Now, after my nail dried a little bit, I am applying my OPI Matte Top Coat, and I'm applying that to all the fingers. Well, not fingers, but all the nails. Once I get done applying the top coat, I am putting it back into the nail dryer and let it dry. And this is basically the finished look. I applied some cuticle oil onto my cuticles and this is it. So like this video, share it, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, bye.